Hi, Brian. I'm going to try to show you how to go into J1 Web and see the roster for a course. I'm not going to be able to see 603 or whatever number you were looking for, but I'll show you how to see the roster, and then you can just follow that same process. If you don't have the class that you need listed on J1 Web, then I think we will need to call the registrar's office and work that out. But here I'm going to sign in to J1 Web. And then if I go to the very top by the waffle, as it's called, you should see academic department. You may not have academic department. I had to ask for that too. So if you don't have that, we should make sure you should have access to academic department, because then I can do manage sections. And I can filter for maybe division. Let's do ED. I'm going to do doctoral program. You would do master's program. And then apply. And then I can see my courses here. So if I wanted to see who all is in 950, oh, one more. Let's see here. Where's my 950? Here's 950-001. I can click on that. You can also do the select options over on the side. It'll show you. It shows me how many are registered, and then I think if I just click that, it'll show me who's all in there. Here's the course roster. There, and then it shows me all the people that are in there. So that should do it. That's how you get the roster. If you don't have access to that tab that was academic department, I believe Mike Vining is the one who added that for me. So if you don't have that, I would contact Mike Vining and get him to add you to that. All right, hope that helps, Ryan. Bye-bye.